Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to make money from Facebook. That's right, besides just using it for fun and staying connected, you can also use Facebook to earn some extra bucks. So, let's dive right in. Segment 1. Facebook Stars. Facebook introduced this feature in various countries back in 2021, and later expanded it to Pakistani users a year later. With Facebook Stars, you can earn money by sharing your photos, videos, live streams, or written posts. To become a Facebook star, you'll need to create a Facebook page with at least 500 followers within 60 days. You can also enable the professional mode in your personal profile to be eligible for this program, but you'll need at least 500 followers. Remember, you'll need to adhere to Facebook's community standards and partner monetization policies to join the Stars program. Once you're in, you can ask your fans to send you stars, and your fans can even buy stars to support you. You'll need to link your bank account or PayPal to receive the money. Segment 2. In-stream ads. In-stream ads are Facebook's biggest advertising source, and you can also earn a share from it. Typically, in-stream ads appear in Facebook videos, and to be part of this program, you need a Facebook page with at least 10,000 followers. Your videos should have at least 600,000 minutes of viewing time in the last 60 days, and you should have a presence of at least 5 videos on your page. You must also be at least 18 years old. Segment 3. Brand collabs. This program is relatively easier compared to in-stream ads. You just need to partner with a brand for collaborations, and you'll get compensated for your efforts. To join this program, you'll need a Facebook page with at least 1,000 followers, and your videos should have at least 50,000 post engagement minutes and 180,000 video view minutes, or 30,000 video views on 3-minute videos. Segment 4. Facebook Reels. In May 2023, Meta announced a new program to make earning from Facebook and Instagram Reels easier. Under this program, short videos on Facebook and Instagram will show more ads, and creators will be paid based on how much their videos are viewed. This program differs from the traditional revenue sharing model. Creators will be compensated based on the performance of their public Reels videos. Segment 5. Subscriptions. This is also an income program from Facebook, currently available in some countries like the US, UK, Germany, and India. To join this program, you need a Facebook page with at least 10,000 followers. You should have at least 50,000 post engagement minutes and 180,000 video view minutes, similar to other programs. So there you have it, 5 ways to earn money from Facebook. Whether it's through Facebook Stars, in-stream ads, brand collabs, Facebook Reels, or subscriptions, there's a way for you to turn your time on the platform into income. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.